welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today here I am sharing this look with you all. So I have used lots of different hacks and new products. So I have a new concealer, new eyebrow product, new lipstick, and also I have tried lots and lots of new hacks. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first we'll try for the hack for the foundation. So the first hack is, first you apply the moisturizer, then set it with the powder, then you spray some setting spray or the facial mist, then you apply some primer and the foundation. So yeah, let's just get started. For the moisturizer, I'll be using my favorite Pond's moisturizer. I'll be taking generous amount. Okay, so for the powder, I'll be using my Lakme Rose powder. So I'll be just patting it all over my face. The brush which I'm using is this from Flower Beauty. I'll be just taking a little bit and patting. Okay, so now it's time for setting spray. So I don't have a setting spray, so I'll be using my face mist. This is from Plum. I'll be just spritzing it all over. Time for primer. So for primer, I'll be applying this Miss Claire Professional Studio Perfect primer. It is in the shade 03. I'll be just taking this much and applying it all over my face, especially over the T-zone. Okay, so for the foundation, I'll be using my Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. So I'll be just taking a little bit back of my hand. I'll be just taking this much. I think ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. Okay, so the foundation is done. Now it's time to apply some concealer. So for concealer, I'll be using my new purchase. So this is a new purchase. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 01. So इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा hype था कि it is full coverage and it's very cheap. So I just wanted to try. So this is something between 200 to 250. It is something for 229, I suppose. And I just got 01 shade. I think it's a little dark, but let's try. And I'm also going to try that facelift effect or facelift wala hacks so that you look more youthful, younger. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'll be just applying it in my inner corner and as a slant. Okay, for the lighter concealer, I'll be using my NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is very light, so I'll be just okay. And for the sponge, I'm using this Miniso sponge. So yeah, let's just get started blending. NYX concealer is very good. ठीक है, I feel कि Cupid's Bow इधर concealer करने से you get that lifted pouty lips, I feel, and ऊपर से if you apply the lip liner, so it completely accentuates your lips. So yeah, we'll be trying that as well today. We'll be using the lip liner. Okay, so the concealer is applied. This is how my face looks like right now. So I'm completely happy. I feel the concealer is not completely full coverage according to me, but yeah, it is decent. It has decent coverage and it is buildable. But yeah, I really like how my face is looking right now. So I'll be just applying a little powder to set my face, and then we'll start with our blushes and everything. For today, contour, highlight and blush, we'll be using this palette from Flower Beauty. So today we are obviously going to do the facelift, so I thought why not try this. So I'll be just using this this shade, and I'll be applying it with this brush. This is the Estee Lauder's brush. I'm not sure कौन सा brush है ये, but this is the brush. I'll be just taking little bit. It has lots of water. Can you see that? Okay, so for the blush we'll be using this brush. It has a little angle, so we'll be just using that. We'll be just taking little bit and we'll be just keeping it this way, keeping it on an angle, and we are not taking it on our cheeks, and we'll be just pushing it up. So what do you guys think about the facelift effect? Let me know. Okay, this is the first time I am trying this effect. It's time for highlighter, but before highlighter I like to do one additional step, which is to spray some mist. So what it does is कि ये सारा powder products को साथ में blend कर देता है, and also your highlighter जितना beam करना चाहिए उससे ज़्यादा करता है. So I really like this hack. So yeah, I'm just doing this, blending everything with the beauty blender. For the highlighter I'm using the same palette, and I'll be just using this brush. This is the pointed brush. I'll be just taking a little bit. It is very blinding, but yeah, we just try. And हम लोग इधर नहीं लगाएंगे अभी, इधर थोड़ा ऊपर लगाएंगे. Okay, now it's time for eyebrows. So this is the new one. This is the e.l.f. का Wow Brow eyebrow gel. This is in the shade deep brown. This is the volumizing fiber gel. So I am trying e.l.f. for the first time. So yeah, let's just try this. It has little fibers. I hope you can see. So I'll be just spooling this. To apply some eyeshadow. For eyeshadow I have two new products. This is the Nicka K Under the Sea palette, and this is the Nicka K Birthday Cake palette. So I just got them recently from Nykaa, so I just wanted to try with you all. First I'll be taking this fluffy brush, and I'll be just using this shade right here from Under the Sea palette, dusting off the excess, and I'll be just applying it. This blends so beautifully, and it has lots and lots of pigment, so I'm really liking it now. Making it a wing. So I exactly don't know what look I'm going for. I think it's the Pride month, so I'll be doing some colorful eyeshadows. So I'll be just taking my flat shader brush, and I'll be just spritzing my mist. And I'll be just using the same palette and using the yellow shade. And I'll be just applying it in my inner corner. Okay, so the yellow eyeshadow is applied. So now I'll be just taking the plain brush, taking the same shade again, just to blend both of them smoothly. I'll be just taking this shade applying it in my outer corner just to darken the this is also very pretty shade, very pigmented. I'm just applying a little bit in my lower lash line. I'll be just pinching my brush like this, taking the same shade and so that it looks seamless. Okay, so for the centers, I'll be just using this pink shade. This is such a pretty color and I'll be just applying it. This is very creamy, very pigmented. I'll be just applying. I also want to try this purple shade, so I'll be just taking a little bit of purple shade on this pencil brush and applying it. Also have a new eyeliner. This is from Swiss Beauty. This is their eyeliner. I'll just show you how it performs. This is how it looks like. So this is not waterproof. I applied this. So this is not waterproof and it's not smudge proof also. So yeah, some mascara. The mascara which I'll be using is my favorite, Face Shop's mascara. I'll be just applying a thin coat because I'll be applying some lashes today. Okay, so the mascara is on. So for the lashes, I'll be using the Nykaa's Turn Up the Drama lashes, and I'll be just using with the Miss Claire Dark Tone Glow. So I don't like wearing fake false lashes a lot because I feel it's a lot and heavy लगता है थोड़ा eyes पे. So I'll be just using it today just for this look because we are trying lots and lots of new products and makeup and also the hacks. So why not use this? I've used it few times, but yeah, I really don't like any of the lashes. I have two of them, both are from Nykaa only, but I don't like them, so I'll be just using. Okay, so for the first time I feel कि मेरे lashes कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छे लग रहे हैं and stick भी बराबर हुए हैं, वरना हर बार आधा इधर से निकलता है आधा इधर से निकलता है. So today I'm quite impressed with my eyelashes. So the last but not the least is the lips. So for lips, I have some lip liners. These are from True Lips. Actually I have 12 of them, so I could not find few. But ये मैंने बहुत time पहले लिया था, so I really don't like them. But I okay, so I'll just apply one of the lip liner today because we are trying all things new. So I'll be just taking this one. This is, there is no shade. No, this is in the shade 51. So I'll be just lining my lips. ये कुछ काम कर रही है. So I'll be just changing my shade to 46. No, not to 46, to 55. Yeah, at least this is little bit visible. So this is how my lips look like after the lip liner. So I really don't like them. That is the only reason I don't use them. For the lips, I have the new lipstick. This is the Miss Claire Matte Power Lip Color in the shade 06. So I just love this color and this is so beautiful. I just got it recently. I've tried it and this is how it is looking. This is how it looks like. Liquid to powder matte. It is so lightweight and doesn't feel anything on the lips. I love this so much. I'll be just applying it all over my lips. I just want to do one more step. So this is the MAC's lipstick in the shade Mineralized Rich Touch the Earth lipstick. This is how it looks like. So this is very light for our skin tone. This is something like coffee like shade. So what I'll do is I'll just pat this lipstick in between so it gives me the ombre effect. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know down in the comments what you feel about this look, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Do like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also comment down what you want to see next. Bye. Thank you.